Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's my pleasure to show you all how I made this beans and plantain dish. It is so easy to make, so quick and easy. It's not time consuming. The time consuming aspect is prepping the ingredients. Once it's done, the rest is history. So here are our ingredients. In my right hand, we have my tomato based ingredients. We have carrots, tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, sweet pepper, habanero pepper, all of those for my tomato base. Okay, in my left hand side we have onion, ripe and unripe plantain. So we're gonna get started by prepping our ingredients. I'll start off by peeling the carrots, prepping everything and getting it ready. So guys, I just want to use this time to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, the comment, sharing my videos. You guys are the best. Okay, I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Okay, so now to all my new viewers, if this is your first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. If you like what you see, and of course I know you like what you see, please support me by subscribing to my channel and be part of this lovely family. Okay, so guys, our ingredients are all done and well prepped, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven tray to dry up. Okay, so here is our cooked beans. Yeah, I know this takes long time to cook, like literally up to 45 minutes to an hour. So I prepped this beforehand. It is perfectly done, well cooked. If you press on it, you will notice that it just melts like so. That shows that your beans is properly cooked. Make sure it's done very well before you start using it. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead and prep our plantain. I'll peel off the back and chop it in smaller chunks. Okay, so guys, our plantain are finely chopped, so I'll set that aside and bring out our tomatoes. Is well dried up now. I'll put this in the little blender and blend to paste. So I'm still gonna dry it a little bit more because I really want the consistency to be a little bit thick. Okay, so I'll pour this into the pot, place in the stove to dry a little bit more. So finally, we are done prepping this ingredient. I said earlier that the time consuming part is prepping this ingredient, getting it ready. So guys, can you see how this tomato paste turned out? It is looking so nice. The consistency is thick the way I like it. So guys, let's get ready. Let's start cooking. In a hot pan, add your preferred oil. Once it's heated, add your onion and stir. Fry like about 3 or 4 minutes and then add your tomato paste. Make sure to stir properly. So now I'm going to go in with my sardine. So once you add your sardine, you can either mash it or just leave it like so. So today I prefer to leave it like so. So I go in with salt to taste and then add my seasoning cube. I'm going to go in with my spices. It's curry, oregano, and all of those good stuff. Any spice that you have in your kitchen is okay. Okay, just go in what you have. So I stir that in and then add my unripe plantain. Stir properly, okay? Look at how that is looking, guys. It's looking so tantalizing. So I'm going to go in now with my beans. Do make sure to mix properly to marinate together. So here I just rinsed my little blender and then add the water in. Try not to, overflow your pot with water, okay? If it's a little bit above what you're cooking, it is perfect, okay? Try not to use a lot of water. So once you've added the proportionate amount of water that is needed, cover up and cook like about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your ripe plantain is done, then you add your ripe plantain. Remember, our beans is already cooked, so yeah. So that's why you have to get your beans to be well cooked before you start cooking this, okay? So I've just added my ripe plantain and then allowed to cook like about 5 to 10 minutes again. And our food is ready, guys. It is looking so delicious. It tastes delicious just as it looks. Look at that, guys. So guys, our food is done at this point. I'm just going to open the pot to cool the food down and get it ready to be dished out. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I really do appreciate you for staying till this moment. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, this is the right time to hit the subscribe button and join this family. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you all in my next one with that to know that Jesus Christ loves you and keep living by faith. Bye and stay blessed wherever you are.